My semester project topic was improper use of portable generators during storms. This topic is important to me because people die every year from utilizing their generators incorrectly. These deaths and injuries are preventable. Recently, a mother and son died due to running a generator inside their house. I want people to take this serious and realize the significance of using a working carbon monoxide detector. This simple device could save many lives. According to the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission, from 2004 to 2013, there were 652 deaths caused by portable generators. 526 of these deaths occurred from the generator being in or close to the home. The 5 E's. Engineering. Adding a sensor that can determine if the portable generator is in a close space and alert if it is 10 to 20 feet away from the structure should be utilized. Reducing the amount of carbon monoxide emissions from the portable generators needs to be engineered to work properly. Education. Educating consumers is one of the most preventable factors at reducing death and injuries. A mandatory video quiz should be required with all purchases. Enforcement. The government should enforce stricter carbon monoxide emissions and ensure that the current ones are reduced, also requiring all homes to have active carbon monoxide detectors. If these are too expensive, local fire departments can provide them. Economic incentives would consist of giving every individual a complimentary carbon dioxide detector and gas can for every purchased generator. When generators are misused, emergency responders are called to assist. If generators cause fires, they need to be put out. If someone has carbon monoxide poisoning, emergency responders are always the first responders and are there to help. Some sources that I really recommend everyone checks out for their own safety when operating a portable generator is Safe Generator Use by the Red Cross. This website consists of numerous tips to kind of help you and guide you on how to use your generator properly. Another site is Portable Generator Safety by State Farm. And lastly, Be Safe When Using a Portable Generator by FEMA. Thank you for watching, and always remember, portable generators go outside and away from the structure, and use a carbon monoxide detector. Thank you.